Guys, keywords are the very important factor in order to rank your video in the YouTube platform. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about some of the most useful keyword research tools that can help you to find out the potential low competition keywords that can be used in your YouTube video title, description, and the tag section of your video so that you can rank in your search results. Now let's start with the first tool, and that is YouTube Autocomplete. Technically, this is not a tool, this is just a feature provided by YouTube itself. You just need to go to the search bar of your YouTube account, and there you can search the keyword or the related keyword on which you are creating the video, and you will be able to find out the potential searches that people are searching for. As you can see, I have just written digital marketing, and here I got some these results that people are searching, like digital marketing courses in Hindi, courses 2023, courses for beginners, courses marketing fundas in Telugu. So tons of options are there. You can use these keywords, or you can find out some potential keywords which can be used in your YouTube title, description, and the tag section of your video, right? Even you can try with different variations and you will get some different results as well, right? So this is kind of a manual method which can be done by you, and this feature is called YouTube Autocomplete, right? Now the second tool is, this is exactly a tool, and that is VidIQ. I've given basically I've already uploaded a full tutorial on this tool, that how to use this tool, what are the benefits, how you can find the best potential low competition keywords using VidIQ tool. And here I have mentioned something, that VidIQ is an online education website that offers video tutorial and analytics on YouTube channel growth. So even you can go to their channel, you can find out some of the tutorial that can help you to grow your YouTube channel. Although we have already created the course which will ultimately going to help you to run and grow your YouTube channel. Then the second point I have mentioned over here is, when you search keywords on YouTube, VidIQ gives you complete information regarding that keyword. So what you can do is, you can install the Chrome extension of VidIQ, and whenever you are searching directly on the YouTube platform, the VidIQ Chrome extension will give you the data of that particular keyword in the YouTube platform itself. So this is quite useful option provided by VidIQ, right? Now after this, we do have the third tool, and that is also one more important tool in the industry, and that is Tubebud. Tubebud is also like VidIQ, that provides Chrome extension and helps you to grow your YouTube channel with different analytics and data and some useful information. Here I have mentioned Tubebud is a website that offers video tutorials and analytics on channel growth, and when you search, same thing I have mentioned over here as well. But the thing is, if you don't know how to use Tubebud, what you can do is, you can directly go to our YouTube marketing playlist. I have uploaded a full tutorial on how to use Tubebud and how you can find out the potential keywords using Tubebud platform, right? Even Tubebud also provides Chrome extension, you can use that as well, and this will going to work like same like VidIQ, right? So this was the third tool. Now the fourth one is a bit different, and that is Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest is a renowned keyword research tool among SEOs, search engine optimization. If you want to rank your website on Google, then Ubersuggest is one of the best tool which you can use. Even this is not just used for your website, you can use this tool for your YouTube videos as well, because YouTube videos also rank on Google's search engine as well. So you can find out the potential keywords which are getting searched on Google, and you can add those keywords in your video title, description, and tags, so that your video can appear in the Google search results as well, not only YouTube search results, because you know Google is world's biggest search engine. Then on the second number, YouTube is, right? So this one also you have the option Ubersuggest. Also they provide some free features, and then you need to go with the paid option, but the best thing is they provide some free features which you can use. If you like it, then you can go with the paid version, right? After this, we do have fifth option, and that is again Google keyword research tool, and that is Keyword Everywhere, right? This is a free Chrome extension. You get a freemium version of this Chrome extension. So what you can do is, you can add the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension in your Chrome browser, and you can get potential keywords and their important data like monthly searches, volume, cost per click, or CPC competition data, and tons of other important informations which will help you to grow your YouTube channel on the YouTube platform and the Google search itself. So this was the last tool which I wanted to mention, and that is Keywords Everywhere. So I have mentioned five tools, which is Keywords Everywhere, Ubersuggest, TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and the YouTube autocomplete feature itself. Now there are tons of other tools in the market, like thousands of tools are available in the market, but I have mentioned only five, and these are pretty useful. But the thing is, you don't need to use all these five tools. You can use one by one all these tools and features, and whatever the option suits your work, whatever the option you like, you can use that tool or the feature further, right? So this is how you can proceed with these tools and then grow your YouTube channel. So I hope this video was very helpful for you and you find it pretty useful. I hope you are able to understand. If you still have any question or query, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now let's wrap up this video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.